In the heart of Orkney's Northern Isles, a wild and windswept welcome awaits. We've found a place with stories in its stone, and we're making it our home. We're chasing a dream from Indonesia to Orkney. Join us for wild island adventures and the soulful rhythm of life from sky, sea, and stone. Join us, weaving through Jakarta's crowded afternoon streets, anticipation rising with every turn as we head from South Jakarta to the gleaming halls of Terminal 3. Inside, polished floors reflect the bustle at the check-in counters. After immigration, we grab a coffee at the airport cafe and browse duty-free aisles. Soon, we're on the move again, making our way towards Gate 8 for Doha. We finally settle into our seats, engines roar to life, cabin lights dim, and just like that, we're off into the night sky. Mid-flight, our plane was forced to divert to Bangalore after Qatar closed its airspace amid the ongoing Middle East conflict, meaning we were destined to miss our connecting flight. Once we touched down in Doha, bleary-eyed and jet-lagged, we headed straight for the transfer desk, only to be met by a line that stretched for miles. Dozens of flights had been diverted, and Qatar Airways was completely overwhelmed. We spent 12 brutal hours inching forward as a skeleton crew of agents struggled to keep up. When desks began shutting down and chaos erupted around us, we finally threw in the towel.
QR 616.
In the end, we finally secured new tickets, but to avoid being funneled back into that endless queue, we declined the complimentary hotel voucher and crashed on the cold airport floor instead. At first light, we were airborne again. No hiccups this time, bound straight for Edinburgh. We touched down, bone-weary, yet buzzing with excitement at the thought of finally stepping into our new home. After collecting our luggage and renting a car, I slipped behind the wheel and headed north to Thurso, where we'd rest for the night before catching the dawn ferry over to Orkney.